All right, quick little walkthrough on this one. So this guy's 6'8", and he didn't want to change his truck. He had a good old truck, nothing wrong with it. He's kept it in really good condition. It's a nice little pickup, but he wanted to outfit the canopy and not dump $1 billion on something, you know. So we built it wider for him, a little wider than the truck here. Then he's got this bunk that folds up, and we'll jump up there in a second and do that. And then he's got this set up. This is coiled up here because he's going to end up building this out with a little battery generator in here. And we did an SAE plug for him so he can unplug the canopy from here, plug it into the generator, and we give him a bunch of extra length so that he can move that around in there. And he's got a couple of lights there on the ceiling. He's got the lift up door. That way he can keep his tailgate. Move the windows up a little higher so that his mattress doesn't interfere with those, and he keeps a little bit of privacy. Then he's got a hoist in his garage. He hooks up to all of these, and he can pick the thing up off of the truck when he needs to take it off. But let's get up in here. Then this is reinforced with aluminum, so it can handle all the weight hanging out there off the base rail. And then this bunk is nice. It's got 3 positions, so it can fold up like that. Out of the way, it can be a bench. So you can store some extra stuff in here, and you can still see out your rear view. But if you want to fold it up out of the way, get it completely out of the way, you just do that. Then you latch this down nice and tight. And that sucker, hard to do with one hand on the camera. And then that's out of the way. And you can sit in here, hang out, lawn chair or something. And then that right there, USB and 12-volt receptacle, C charger, and all of that fun stuff. But yeah, not a bad setup at all. Fold all this down again. Jump out. And then this guy comes down. And then he's got this set up for Starlink. Not bad. Not bad at all.